Welcome to my YouTube channel. So what is going on, guys? In today's episode we are going for a POV drive in Birmingham City. We're going to use this head cam that my friend Dean supplied. Hopefully I can give you a really good perspective of what it's like driving one of these. Right now, obviously, like I said in the first video, it's stuck. And I also want to say shout out and thank you to you guys for all the support, all the love that was shown. But yeah, let's head on into the city centre. It's so cold, let's have some fun. So back in the 240, I hope you don't get too much wind noise. I'm going to close my window by that much, so hopefully you can still hear it. That window is going to be completely open. Excuse the mess, one of my friends left their food bag in the car. Thank you, Asim. Probably doing Sport Plus for the time being. Gearbox Ultimate Sport, he's trying to get himself killed. Typical Birmingham people. Getting manual mode in it. I won't do too much talking because I'd rather you see what it's like with one of these around town. Probably go for a quick tunnel run, quick blast over there. You gotta love the sound of the B58, man. I don't think there's many engines that compete. You just got the burble. So guys, had a bit of a technical issue where my camera stopped recording, but we're back on track. You gotta love the sound of it, man. We got Big Steve ahead of us. Shout out Steve. Be a better angle of Steve. Hold on a sec. Big Steve. The N54. Steve do be looking good. Out here doing tunnel runs. Beamer 6 cylinders, man, so undefeated. One thing I do love about this car is making it thrum, so I'll try make it do so now, but I think Steve's car is a bit loud, so right there. Oh, how many sounds that can compete. Even on the shift, so you'll do it on the shift. So if I just let go there. Oh, days. Someone got some bangers on. Driving through the city centre. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you want to see more of this sort of stuff, leave a comment in the description below. I probably will be doing another one on the country roads again. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.